So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the SSID of the connected Wi-Fi on your computer devices of Windows, or you can have any laptop or the computer that you have. Now, just simply open the settings of your Windows laptop or computer. You can easily find it in the start menu. Here you need to go to this option of network and internet, and here you'll see this option of you'll find what Wi-Fi you're connected to, and here you'll see this option of properties. Just simply click on properties, and here you'll find multiple details about the internet, and here you need to click on this option of advanced Wi-Fi network properties. And if it's not opening from here, you just simply come back, go to data usage right there. Then you can just simply go to this option of just simply click on this option of Wi-Fi right there, and here you'll see this option of the connected Wi-Fi that you are connected to. You just simply click on that Wi-Fi properties, and here you'll see this option that shows where you can find the Wi-Fi passwords as well. Now just simply scroll down, and here you'll find all the details of your connected Wi-Fi, and right there you can find the SSID of your connected Wi-Fi. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.